Are you looking for the best Fujifilm cameras? In this video we will look at some of best Fujifilm cameras. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Fujifilm XT5 is a reliable and portable camera that's perfect for everyday use. It combines the powerful features of the XH2 into a compact, retro-style body with DSLR-style controls and dials. It also has a 3.69 million dot electronic viewfinder, EVF, like the XT4 and an improved three-way tilting screen, making it a pleasure to use. Image quality is excellent, one of the best you can find on any APS-C camera, thanks to its 40-megapixel sensor and in-body image stabilization. The XT5 can also shoot impressive 6.2K video at 30 frames per second, but its video features are not its main focus. It has a 1.23x crop and lacks a headphone jack, so it's more suited for photography than videography. While the full-frame Sony A7 Mark IV may perform better in low light and autofocus, the XT5 stands out as one of the top choices for APS-C photographers. Number 4. Fujifilm XM5. Next up, the Fujifilm XM5 is a tiny yet highly capable entry-level mirrorless camera, making it an excellent choice for aspiring content creators, especially those focused on video. As one of the lightest mirrorless cameras on the market, it's incredibly portable. While the compact size may feel cramped for those with larger hands, it's ideal for on-the-go shooting. Smart design choices like a mic port positioned above the touchscreen for easy hot shoe mic connections make it a practical tool. For vloggers, however, the lack of in-body image stabilization might be a drawback for handheld filmmakers. With a proven 26-megapixel sensor, it delivers solid stills, but for photography-first users, the X-T30 Mark II might be the better choice. Where the XM5 really shines is in video. It records crisp 6K footage with rich 10-bit color, and open-gate recording gives added flexibility, perfect for cropping content for social media. Overall, it's an impressive performer and a great value for beginner videographers. Number 3. Fujifilm GFX1002. Moving into professional territory, the Fujifilm GFX1002 is the most powerful and usable medium-format camera Fujifilm has ever made. Larger and heavier than typical full-frame options, it comes at a premium price, but the image and video performance are absolutely top-tier. This camera captures stunning 102-megapixel RAW stills at 8 frames per second, complete with reliable subject detection autofocus, eliminating the usual compromise between resolution and speed. The GFX1002 delivers the burst speed of an enthusiast-level full-frame model like the XT5, but with image quality that's simply unmatched. The design is modern and functional with a brutalist look that prioritizes performance over aesthetics. A removable EVF and optional vertical battery grip add modularity for serious workflows. While it lacks XLR inputs for filmmakers, it still shoots excellent 8K video. For professional still shooters, this is the ultimate tool in Fujifilm's lineup. Number 2. Fujifilm XH2S. Taking the second spot, the Fujifilm XH2S proves that APS-C sensors can compete with full-frame cameras, even outperforming them in key areas. It features a substantial grip and a handy top plate display, giving it the feel of a professional flagship. Compared to the XT series, it has fewer dials, making it easier for new users to adjust. While it skips the retro charm, it delivers broad appeal and usability. Thanks to its stacked sensor and Fujifilm's Processor 5, the XH2S is the most powerful Fujifilm camera to date. It offers blistering 40 frames per second electronic burst shooting and 6.2K 10-bit internal video features no other crop sensor camera can match. While autofocus isn't quite at flagship full-frame levels, performance is still pro-grade, and though it comes with a higher price tag, the XH2S serves as a realistic and more affordable alternative to the Nikon Z9, especially for sports and wildlife photographers. Number 1. Fujifilm XS20. And finally, at number 1, the Fujifilm XS20 stands as the best all-around mirrorless camera in Fujifilm's current lineup. Like its predecessor, the XS10, the XS20 is beginner-friendly, well-balanced, and packed with features. With a chunky grip and simplified controls, it's easy to handle whether you're filming or shooting photos. It weighs just 26 g more than the XS10 due to a larger battery that impressively doubles its shot life. Perfect for long shoots or travel. The 26-megapixel sensor remains the same, but video capabilities take a huge leap forward. Expect 6K 30p 10-bit internal recording, plus open gate video for maximum flexibility when framing for different platforms. Improved subject tracking and automatic scene detection make stills even easier to capture, with its vlogging mode, manual controls, and hybrid performance. The XS20 is a camera that can grow with you, whether you're just starting out or stepping up your game. I hope you like this video. I have tried my best to provide accurate information about the products that are available on the market so that you can pick the correct product for your purpose. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.